last day, day 11, before we fly back tomorrow. And I don't know how we slept in the hostel. I slept alright until I got woken up by a man snoring like a foghorn.
And it wasn't yourself?
It wasn't me. And now we're kind of like mooching around the souks on the way to the Jardin Majorelle. Had 2 breakfasts because kindly the girls next to us didn't eat all of theirs, so they gave us some of theirs.
One of them barely touched it. I don't know if she just didn't like it.
I think she just had the yogurt,
Yeah.
And now it's quite a nice temperature under here, but it's going to get hot, it feels like today, because it feels hot already. Would have been nice to have ditched the rucksacks, but here we are. We can ditch them later when we get back to our final riad. So yeah, and we're going to go look around the gardens and
maybe some tanneries.
Maybe the tanneries, and just have a proper look around Marrakesh today, because we haven't really looked around it. But these places are so cool. I love the souks.
Wow. Stuff.
It's epic. Really cool. Ooh, I like the green pots. And then the carpets. So we've spent the afternoon going around Jardin Majorelle, which belongs to Yves Saint Laurent, the famous French designer, and I think was made after Majorelle, the famous French artist, came to Morocco after being ill and then created these beautiful gardens, which, to be fair, are lovely. It's nice and cool in the shade because it is toasty out in the sun.
Boiling in the city, isn't it? Yeah.
It's really hot. So it's nice to come and cool off. And there's some lovely ultramarine blue or Majorelle blue everywhere, which goes really nicely with the greens and the kind of clays and the yellow. What's been your highlight of the gardens, do you think?
Turtles.
The turtles.
The turtles.
Oh, I like the turtles. The turtles are cool.
No, it's nice, it's good inspiration, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's peaceful, even though it's quite busy, it's peaceful.
Yeah, it's really peaceful. You're not allowed to sit down anywhere other than a bench.
Yeah, I think 5 times now I've been told to not sit down.
But other than that, yeah, it's really nice.
Easy day before we go home.
Yeah, just taking it chill, and then I think we'll go find some dinner in a place called
Cafe Clock? Clock Cafe?
Yeah, Cafe Clock, something like that.
Recommended to us this morning.
Which was recommended to us by some of the girls in the hostel.
A camel burger and something else they said.
Yeah, well, more
tagine.
tagine. It was more tagine, but I'm looking forward to a camel burger.
Could go for a
Mix
kefta
it up.
tagine tonight, you know.
Yeah, I think, Alex, if you want a tagine, knock yourself out. Go for a tagine.
If it was a good kefta tagine, I would actually be pretty happy with that.
I feel like I should go for a tagine purely because it's the last one in Morocco, but at the same time,
If you want a camel burger, you should have
I think
a
camel burger appeals to me more than a tagine right now.
Or we could go cheap and cheerful and another sandwich.
No, I want to try a camel burger. And they recommended it, and also it means that we don't have to go back into Medina if you don't want.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's a good point.
But yeah.
Bit of souvenir shopping next.
Yeah, potentially. And we'll just soak up a bit more of this and enjoy some peace and quiet and some shade before we go back out into the hot madness of Marrakesh.
Yeah, ice cream incoming.
Oh, ice cream, yes, 100%. nice. Last night in Marrakesh.
Yeah. Don't sound about that.
I'm sad about it too, but it's so hot.
To be fair, a bit of drizzle.
And you might have noticed in the last couple of videos, I've been wearing the same t-shirt for the last 3 days.
I've got a fresh one.
Look at that.
Get in.
Wow.
Not in a task top anymore.
Nice.
Yeah.
Could have done with that in the heat of the day, probably.
Yeah, definitely.
Right,
Look, we move.
we're going to go try a restaurant called Cafe Clock, which some girls in the hostel last night recommended. So hopefully it tastes good. Try the camel burger, see what's going on.
Oh, and a tagine, just to wind you up.
He's going to have a tagine.
I don't know if a one-person
Do you want a
tagine
tagine?
is a thing, though, is it?
Oh, I'm sure you could smash a one-person tagine.
We'll see.
And then back to have an early night, I think, 4 up in the morning with breakfast, and then off to catch a flight.
Not doing all night. Big bash in Marrakesh.
Nah, I can't do that. I can't have that. I'm too tired. Right, let's go get food because we're hungry.
Catch you in a bit.
We have to be quiet because everyone's asleep.
Is it even going to pick it up? It's just going to be white noise.
Nah, you'll hear it.
Right.
We just, last night in Marrakesh, we managed to find chicken rafisa.
You love that.
It was so good. Yeah, 10 out of 10 for me. And a camel burger, which is great.
The Rafisa one.
Oh yeah, 100%, that was so good.
Saucy, moist.
And some nice fresh lemonade.
Oh yeah.
That was so good.
That really hit the spot on a hot evening.
Yeah, that was the best drink I've had as well. And we've had some pretty cool drinks.
Yeah. Even you prefer that to avocado.
100%.
Fair enough.
100%.
That's
All
big
day,
thanks from
really.
you.
I love ginger. And it
I
had,
reckon you could make that at home.
100%. I dread to think how much sugar is in it though.
It's a treat.
I bet
It's
that's
nice
so much. We ended up also going to the square and we went up onto the top and had a look around, which was really cool to see everything. And then had last one through before coming back here. Alex has had his last tea, his mint tea.
I had 4 glasses before sugars.
At 10:50 at night.
So I'm going to brush my teeth in a minute and they're just going to like disintegrate.
Disintegrate, nice. Good tea though?
Pretty standard, but you know,
Nice.
I'll go into it. I'm going to miss it.
He's going to miss the tea.
Yeah.
Me, not so much. I'm not so fussed by the tea. But we've worked out that we're going to try and catch the bus tomorrow morning to the airport, so wish us luck.
We don't know how much it's going to cost. I've been trying to find out on the old Google, but it's more than like...
Touch with it, it'll be alright.
It's going to be super annoying if we don't have enough cash.
Yeah, well, we also need to try and get some crepes or something from next door as well with that money.
I'll have to do a bit more Googling.
It'll be alright.
So,
I think wing it.
yeah. If you're in Marrakesh and spot 2 people pushing bike boxes 6 kilometres to the airport, you probably ask because we ran out of money.
That'll be
We didn't want to get 10 dirham out.
No, I completely understand that. So yeah, that's the plan. Wish us luck.
That's it. That'll be...
We've both given Abdu a review on TripAdvisor and
such a
Booking.com. Yeah, definitely recommend it. The Riyadh Rakesh in Marrakesh.
Hang on. Have we just become influencers? Is this what influencers do?
Definitely not.
Promotion?
It's not paid promotion because we paid to stay here. It's not quite how it works, but yeah, it was good.
Good times.
Right, well, on that note, good night.
End of trip.
End of trip, bit sad. I mean, the flight could be cancelled and we could, you know, never make it back to the UK tomorrow, that'd be alright.
Yeah, but I kind of want, like, a curry or something, you know?
Yeah, I feel you. We're looking forward to English food.
Not even English food, like...
Just different food.
Non-Moroccan food.
Yeah.
Some Asians.
But, yeah, on that note.
Rambling. Bye.
Good night. You thought it was the final vlog entry. Wow, a little bit behind the scenes. Alex left the gas in his bike box. He's now getting it in his pants at 11:25 at night.
Opening the box of shame, eh?
Doesn't look so bad. The view's not great. So we thought that the vlog entry last night was the last one, but we've had a bit of an interesting morning. So this is officially the last day. We just grabbed some breakfast at this like local spot. We opted for omelette, which I think is just fried egg with cumin instead of the soup. And honey. We managed to jump on the bus despite not having any cash, so we managed to pay the bus driver £5, and he gave us change for 50 dirham, which is actually not bad, because Abdu, the place where we were staying at, sprung that we had to pay city tax again, even though we didn't pay the full amount. So it seems a bit dodge, but here we are, we've got food, we're going to chow this down and then get to the airport, try and catch our flight. So I was literally just about to do a vlog entry to be like, leaving the country, we made it. But it turns out they printed 2 of the same boarding passes, so 2 of Alex's boarding passes, and we made it through the whole way through security, and it's only now that we've got to the gate. And it was up to us to check. Unbelievable. So because they duplicated the ticket and it was on us to check, even though we've been through passport control, security, check-in, several others, they've now made me a duplicate handwritten ticket, even though Alex has a one online on his phone. This makes no sense. Hello.
Yeah, are you German?
And filming just got interrupted because lo and behold got checked again, and the lady's like, where's your boarding pass? Did you lose your boarding pass? No.
Yeah, about how we almost got arrested for filming.
And we almost got arrested for filming in the airport.
So it's going well.
But it's fine.
Yeah, we made it.
Hopefully, we'll get on the plane. Thankfully, despite having a somewhat unorthodox ticket, we were allowed to board the plane. And we're on our way back to the UK, waving goodbye to Morocco.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la